everyone! For today's video guys ay isang tutorial kung paano malaman kung may ibang nag-login, nag-access o nag-open ng ating Messenger account.
Okay, if you're interested guys, just keep on watching.
Okay, kung ikaw po ay bago lang dito sa channel at hilig mo ang ganitong mga online tutorials and online tips, pakiclick ang subscribe button and the notification bell. At nang sa ganoon ay maging updated ka po sa mga bagong online tips and tutorials na kagaya nito. Okay, so ituloy na po natin ang ating tutorial. Okay, so make sure po guys na may internet connection po tayo, may Messenger account po tayo, at may Messenger application tayo na na-download. At nakalagin po tayo dapat doon sa application. Kung wala pa po, ay pwede po tayo mag-download sa Play Store for Android users. Okay, kung may na-download na po tayo, ay make sure po guys na updated po yung ating Messenger application. Okay, and then open po natin tong application. And then tap po natin tong may tatlong lines dito sa taas. And then tap settings. At hanapin po natin dito sa baba or scroll down po natin. Makikita po natin dito sa baba yung Meta Account Center. And then, tap natin tong See More in Accounts Center. Then, tap Password and Security. And then, dito po guys sa baba, may makikita po tayong security checks. Okay, and may makikita po tayo ditong Where Your Login. Okay, tap natin tong Where Your Login. Okay, tap ulit natin to. Then makikita po natin dito yung login activity, yung mga devices and location kung saan itong account na to ay na login. Okay? At kung gusto naman natin i-log out yung mga login devices and location. So, halimbawa ito guys, tap lang natin to. And then, tap log out. Are you sure you will no longer be logged in on the selected devices? Okay, tap log out. Okay, so nawala na po siya guys. Okay, and pwede din po dito guys sa baba. Tap natin tong select devices to log out. Okay, and then piliin natin kung aling devices po ang ating ila-log out. Okay, kung gusto naman po natin i-log out lahat ay select all lang. But kung may isa lang po tayong gusto natin alisin or gusto natin i-log out, tap nyo lang to guys and log out. Then, are you sure you will no longer be logged in on the selected devices? Okay, tap log out.
So, hanggang dito na lang po. At kung nagustuhan nyo po at nakatulong po sa inyo itong video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much po sa panonood. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!